All right, I guess we'll try number 9 here for GeoGebra, and we're working in hyperbolic geometry again. And we're supposed to start out by constructing a hyperbolic line. Okay, well, I'm getting pretty good at that. Woot. And then it says I'm supposed to construct a point P that's not on my line. Okay, bink, there's a point. I'm not going to call it P, I'm going to call it E. Doesn't matter what we call it. And then I'm supposed to construct a perpendicular to this line through this point. Oh, I hope I can do this. And this says select a point on a line, another point on the same. Well, that didn't work. What does this one say? So it says select 2 points on a line and then a third to drop a perpendicular from it. Wow. You know, reading instructions is a phenomenal skill that all people should have, including myself. Okay, so I've got this perpendicular, and it's perpendicular to our first perpendicular line is perpendicular to our first line. And then I'm supposed to do limiting parallel rays from this point to that point, and that point to that point. Did I forget something? I did forget something. Let's see. Let's do that one and that one. So we've got an intersecting point there. I guess that's important. And then I'm supposed to measure the angle. I'm supposed to measure some angles. So let's measure some stinking angles. That doesn't work. Hyperbolic, perpendicular. Where is that? Hyperbolic angle bisector. Drop perpendicular hyperbolic ray. Distance, hypothetical. Select 3 points. That's what I want. And so we're going to measure this one. Looks like it's, wonder if I measure it this way. That's more like it. And then I'm going to measure this one. Maybe I should measure it like that. Yeah. Well, this should be the same. And I don't know. Okay. So I'm looking at these two, but they're the same. And then what am I supposed to do with this? Of course, the angles are the same because I did an angle. Huh. These two are congruent. What do you know? Is that a good thing? Is that a bad thing? I don't know. Move the point. Move the point. All right. Great. I moved them around so that they're limiting parallel rays. And as I move them around, basically as I move them around, those are still angled bisectors. This is crazy, crazy nuts, coconuts. What's the big idea from it? I have no idea. So let's see. So if I drop a perpendicular through to a line through a point, then I construct these what do they call those stupid things again? The limiting parallel rays. That perpendicular will be the bisector of that angle that it's made. So this angle from CE to D, this perpendicular bisector, or no, excuse me, this perpendicular to this line bisects this angle. And no matter where I go, no matter what I do, I can't get them to be anything but. equal. What? 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 I don't know if that even makes any sense. Some of you are saying, Windsor, you really need some more Diet Dr. Pepper. I do. Oh well. It's the best I can do today.